This is a review of the Stinger 1500 amp dry cell battery that I would highly recommend. This battery is probably one of the best batteries when you have car audio systems for your car. You can see that right over here. I have, pretty much a lot of car audio systems, and I have two 12s, and I did need something to power up my car so I could stop with the batteries. My OEM battery kept on dying, so I had to go find a good battery that could hold all this power, especially if you have lightning too on your car and accessories, a lot of gadgets, and your car battery every now and then when you start it up, it pretty much it doesn't crank up. And this battery right over here, I own this battery for like over 2 years, and so far I haven't had any issues with this battery. This battery is probably one of the best batteries when it comes to car audios, or if you have lightning on your car, pretty much anything when it comes to amps. Like if you have like pretty much a lot of amps and music in your car and a sound system, this is something that's definitely very useful to have for your car. This, like I mentioned, I had owned it for over 2 years, and so far I haven't had any issues or anything like that. It starts up right up, and the car starts. So I never had a issue or a failure of the car not starting ever since I had this battery. My original OEM battery previously, before 2 years ago, it had a lot of issues with that. This battery, if you have any car audio system or pretty much lightning on your car, this is probably one of the best batteries to get. I would highly recommend the Stinger dry cell 1500 amp battery.